stages of implementation. Each master plan is tailored to specific characteristics and needs of that respective river basin. So there are regular monitoring and updates to these plans to ensure, like for example, in Bicol River Basin Flood Control Project, the indicative project cost is 43.21 billion. So the structural measures, nandito yung diking system, bridges with 5 gates, culverts with control gates. These are very technical.
Thank you.
So we can also give you a copy.
Yes,
But
thank you.
that's
Thank
how
you,
much
Mr.
it
President, because I just wanted this to be confirmed because right now it is confirmed that the master plan and feasibility study were completed in July of 2024. Ito yung sa Bicol River Basin. Magandang balita po ito sa ating mga kababayan sa Bicol. And if I'm not mistaken, next year, the